Hey everybody, so we are in the goat pen today. You can see the goats are looking for my animal crackers, but we're in here today to check in and do some hoof trimming. I have some tools here. I will put the link in the description. We just use run-of-the-mill trimmers. Some people do use knives. I do not. I would definitely lose a finger. So I take the easy way out and I use the trimmers. And we do this about every 2 to 3 months. In the winter months, we actually do it a little bit more frequently just because with their hooves staying so wet, we want to make sure that we are not letting the growth get too much where anything would get frozen in between or any of that muck. So we're going to take a look at them and get going. Okay, so here we have Rosemary. She was one of our babies of Amelia and George's from this year. She does have horns, but she's the smallest one. So I thought we'd start with her because she's the easiest for me to hold by myself and show you what we're doing. So I'm just gonna tuck her legs in and bend this one back so that we can see. It is very muddy, so I used a baby wipe to kind of clean so that you guys could see really nicely. So if you wanna zoom in here with me, I'll show you the difference. Okay, so here we have one that is trimmed. This is what you want it to look like. You want to be able to see the flesh of their skin right here, and then with a nice even coat around it. Clean that up. So this side is the side that has not been done yet. This side you can see there's a little bit of growth because we trimmed around Christmas time and they are very well fed and it's very soft. So there's not really anything to help them break down their sidewalls there. So we're just gonna take our clippers and clip off. And I am left-handed, so anything scissor related for left-handers is always a little bit more difficult. Hang on. So you're gonna clip off each sidewall to make sure that we can get it down to the skin there, and when you see that white area, that's what you want it to be flat with. Hi, I see you. I do see you. And that goes all the way around, even their little heels here. If it's built up quite a little bit, you want to take that down until you start to see pink. You want this area to be really flat. All right, so you can see her hooves. You've got that nice brim around the side that you can see, and the fleshy part is flat, and that will allow her to step flat, and that's what we want. We want to keep anything from being able to be stuck in there, like the manure or mud, and then especially this time of year, freezing. You want them to be as comfortable as possible. So I'm gonna flip her around and do the other side. Okay, so I've got Tiffany here helping me. One of the things that helps, unlike what I was doing with Amelia by myself, is if you have someone to hold the goats will listen with their heads up like that, and then you just have them hold tight, and then the other person can grab the leg and bend it up and bend it back so you can see the hoof there. This is a little bit easier. So because it's muddy, I'm just going to clean the hoof so I can see what I'm working with. In regards to animal care, I would say spring and winter are the worst, and probably even fall, only because of all the water here in Michigan. So now that I've got it clean and I can see what I'm working with, I'm just going to trim around the flesh area. Thank you for watching our video today. You'll see us finish up here with Jax, but I didn't want to let you go today without telling you about this awesome resource. This Stories Guide to, and then whatever livestock animal, they have them for goats, the sheep, cows, all sorts of different things, and they are just awesome resources. You can see that they have the photo here of how to trim hooves, among all other questions that could come up when you're learning to care for a new farm animal. So I recommend this resource, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video, maybe learned something new, or just had fun trimming hooves with us. So thank you for watching, and let us know what you thought of the video in the comments. It looks like she ate mud. It's like stuck on there. She's sleeping. Is she done?
Yeah, she's done.
Are you resting? Okay, all done.